Hello, good evening, Sir Jake Pomperada, our teacher in software engineering. And today's video, I'm going to present my final project in software engineering subject. Okay, so the title of my system is the Silay Institute Clinic Management System. So this is the login page of the system. So let's log in now. So we are here now on the dashboard of the SI Clinic dashboard. So actually this system is not yet implemented. So currently in Silay Institute, we are still using manual in the clinic. So this is the first unofficial release version of Silay Institute Clinic Management System. So if you have any questions, suggestions, and assistance, you may contact me. My email, mrenegado20@gmail.com. And this is the final project. Okay. So let's move now on the navigation bar. Let's go to the users management. So here we already have the preloaded um, data for the clinic staff. So if you want to add new user, you just click here. We assume for the ID number, let's say the school ID. I don't have the data yet, but we can still create a dummy account. So let's say Juan de la Cruz. So we can check here if we want the person to be a clinic staff or admin. So today you're going to click the clinic stop and then the email address. Okay, gmail.com. And then next, we need a username for the dummy account. Let's say one, and you can add user. So as you can see here now, we already add the person. So this is him. If you want to update him, we can just click the update and we can edit. For example, we put one to the Gmail and assign another password and save. So as you can see now, the Gmail has already one. So we can also update that by removing the one and save. So I put another password and we're gonna save that. So as you can see now, um, the Gmail is back to the normal. So we can also delete that. We want to delete the user. Okay. So yes. So once deleted, it's already deleted. Okay. So we successfully managed to have a thread in the users. We can also go to the students data. So this is crucial because our patients are or the system is targeted the students. So we can also add new students. For example, ID number, just create another. We can see the ID number into their IDs. Let's say, what time am I? Let's say I'm the student, Mark Renegado, and my section is BSCS 3A. I also got my Gmail. Okay, add student. So here I am now, Mark Renegado. I want to update that. Let's say we need to add Renegado. Save. So as you can see, the Renegado is added. And if you want to delete that, we can also do that. Okay. So as you can see now, I am gone. So let's add again. Mark Jubin Renegado and section. So the section is BSCS3A. Mark at gmail.com and we can just add the student. So I am here. So as you can see, the CRUD in the students management page is working as intended. Now let's go to the medicine. So in the medicine, we can put add medicine that we want. For example, let's say new step. I don't know the generic name of that. Sample generic, and we can also add stock. For example, we have 20 pieces. Can add that. So as you can see now, the new step is there. we can update that. For example, the stock, let's say we add another 40. So it's now 60. Can save that. And we can also delete that. Okay. So the new step is gone and the CRUD in medicine is working. Okay. The next is the most important part, which is the consultation. So this is where you add patient information, medical records. So let's say here, the consultation page, if you want to have consulted one student, for example, Mark Chumin, we'll just have to click this consultation request. And here, we cannot edit this one because it is the data of the patient. Okay. So for example, consultation, what happened to me? Let's say I have a headache. So now that I have an headache, what is the solution? Example, the clinic asked me, do you want a medicine or do you want a doctor consultation? So if we press the medicine request, so let's click that. What will happen is that we can add to cart the list of medicines available in the system. So we have your 103 paracetamol. Let's say I'll going to request one only medicine. Submit request and then confirm request. So your request has been successfully processed. Thank you for using our service. So that means I have successfully get Biogesic and the stock has been updated also. So if we're going to go back to the consultation and have me request again, let's say headache again, and we have medicine request. As you can see, a while ago it is 103, but now it's already 102. So the stock is really working. And let's go back and let's see what will happen if we will conduct a doctor consultation. As you may all know, the Silay Institute has a in-house doctor, so he is available every afternoon, I think 2 to 3 hours. So the students can process a consultation by giving their numbers or queue numbers. So this is what will happen if we will conduct a doctor consultation. Submit request and it will go to the consultation printing page wherein the clinic staff can print the queue number. So for example, I am on the 26th patient on this day. So this is my number. I can automatically click the print so that the queue number will give it to me, and when the doctor arrives, I can line up for my number. Okay, so this is how consultation works, and all of the data will be saved to the database for the report later. Okay, so once we have successfully consult, we have all of the records will be put into the patient and reports later on. So let's go now to the patient's dashboard. So as you can see, I have record here. So a while ago, um, I have an headache and I request a medicine request. So this is recorded, and I also um, I also requested for doctor consultation. So my number 26 is all um it is already here. So I can also delete it, or the staff can delete it if they want, for data cleanup. And the last but not the least, the most important in this system is the report generation. Okay, here all we have to do is to click a date, want on what you want the data to be from or filtered from. We have here three. We have the consultation report, medicine report, patient report. Let's go to the consultation report first. Generate report, click that. And we can see all of the records on that set of date. So this is how the report, and it is already preloaded. So all you have to do is to print it. And Okay, so let's try the another one. Let's the medicine report. So medicine report will report all of the medicine requests on a particular date. For example, here February 23, February 23, Janet report. So here the record is only me. ID number, that's mine. Medicine ID, the ID of the medicine which I requested, and the total number of it, and the name of the requester and the section. Okay, we can also print that. Okay, so last but not the least is the patient's report. All of the reported visit in the clinic. So as you can see now, I conducted a three visit. I requested two medicine, and last is the doctor consultation. Okay, so this is the whole system functionalities of my system. Um, I hope that I created a very helpful system for my school, and I hope that I have met the requirements for the software engineering. Thank you so much for your guidance, Sir Jake Pomperada, and you motivate me always to do my best in this um study. Okay, so have a great and wonderful day. Thank you so much, Sir Jake. Um I owe you all of my dedication. Thank you so much and have a great and wonderful day. Bye bye.